To convert fraction to percentage, for example, if you have 2 over 5, so all you have to do is multiply 2 over 5 by 100%. So from that, we can see that 5 and 100 are divisible by 5. So we can just simply cut it, because 5 divided by 5 is 1 and 100 divided by 5 is 20. And after that, we can directly multiply 2 times 20. So we just multiply it. 2 times 20 is equal to 40. So 2 over 5 is equal to 40%. Another example, if you have the mixed number 2, 3 over 4. So first, you have to convert it into improper fraction. So how? By multiplying 4 and 2 plus 3. So 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11, and then copy the denominator 4. And then 11 over 4 multiplied by 100%. So multiply it by 100%. So as you can see, 4 and 100 are divisible by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 100 divided by 4 is 25. And after that, we can multiply directly 11 and 25. So 11 times 25 is equal to 275%. That's all. Bye.